Alright guys, so I'm going to do an unboxing of the H2O Capsule water bottle. So I actually bought this on Amazon, specifically because it held my phone and keys. So yeah, sleeves hold keys, cards, and phone. And I was looking for one that was like a large bottle that I basically had to fill like twice a day, but not so big that I'm carrying around a huge jug. Okay, so I actually purchased the Cosmic Rain. This is how it comes. This would be the shoulder strap. And this is the wrist strap. So here she is. I do like how tight the sleeve is. Like it's not like loose, like it's like an add-on. It's like part of the bottle. So this is how you take the sleeve off. This is the actual bottle. This is 2.2 liters. So that's nice. You can actually just take the bottle out of the sleeve if you want to still have the wristlet. It's got a nice wide open mouth, great for ice, and this can come off if you choose. Okay. Slide it back on. Okay. There we go. All right, so this is where cards go. And then this is where your phone would go. And here's where your keys would go. Right, here's the long strap. Alright. Drinking water. Absolutely horrible at drinking water. So this way, this will help me drink water. And this is like reflective. So I'll take a picture of it and show you how this is the Cosmic Rain from the H2O Capsule. Phone slides in. Okay, so this is it with the lights, like reflectives. Pretty cool.